Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is me again, Mikatrang Bisaya. And today's video i-share ko po sa inyo kung paano maglagay ng cover photos sa inyong YouTube channel at kung paano gumawa ng pang cover photo. So, just keep on watching! Hi guys! So let's start. First, i-download nyo yung PixArt. Kung wala pa kayong PixArt, i-download nyo na yun. Ayan guys. I-download nyo yung PixArt. And then after, mag-download kayo ng channel art template. So, type natin channel art template. Ayan guys. Mag-download kayo neto guys. Ayan. And then next guys, mag-download kayo ng plain na background. Yun yung gagamitin natin. Plain background. Plain background. Ayan. Ito na lang blue. So, download natin yan. Ayan. And then, after natin ma-download guys, punta na tayo sa PixArt. Doon tayo mag-i-edit ng photo. So, click natin PixArt. And then, click natin yung plus sign. And then, click natin yung channel art template. Ayan guys. So, after nyan guys, ilagay na natin yung plain na background na na-download natin. So, let's click add photo. Ayan. Click natin yung color blue kasi yan yung napili natin. And then, drag nyo lang yan guys. Ganyan. Yan. Yan. Ayan guys. Oops. Ayan. Wait, paliitin natin ng konti. Ayan na guys. So, after nun guys, maglagay na tayo ng text. So, click natin yung text. So, mag-type tayo ng Mikatrang Bisaya. Ayan guys. So, click the check. Ayan. Ayan guys. Pwede natin lagyan ng color. Purple. I like purple. Ayan na lang. And then, pwede nyo rin lagyan ng picture nyo guys. So, click natin add photo again. And then, maghanap kayo ng picture na gusto nyo. Ito na lang. And then, click natin yung crop. Crop natin. And then click the check. And then guys, i-cut out natin. Click nyo yung cut out, yung parang gunting, and then click nyo yung person. And then click save. Ayan. And then lagay na natin dyan. Ayan. And then after nyan guys, pwede nyo rin lagyan ng mga additional photo or sticker. Pwede nyo pa rin pagandahan ang inyong photo. Sample lang to guys, so i-save na natin. Click natin yung check on the left. And then click nyo yung arrow down. Save. So, nasa gallery na nyo yan guys. So, next guys, punta na tayo sa ating YouTube channel. So, ang ginamit kong browser is Opera. Pwede rin Google Chrome or Opera. Click natin yung Opera. Ayan guys, automatic na ako sa aking channel. So, punta tayo sa aking channel. Click your channel. Ayan. And then, click nyo yung customize channel. And then, click nyo yung cover photo. And then, makikita nyo yung pencil sign on the right. Click nyo yan. And then, edit channel art. And then, select a photo from your computer. I'm using phone guys. And then, files, and then photos, and then PixArt. Ayan, it's uploading guys. Hintayin lang natin guys. It's uploading. Ayan guys, after nyan guys, click nyo yung select. Pag-click nyo yung select guys, yan na yan guys. Save na yan. Saving. Ayan. Ganyan lang guys. Ganyan lang kadali. So, that's it guys. And, thank you for watching guys. And I hope that you subscribe to my channel para ma-notify kayo sa next ko na video. So, that's it guys, and thank you for watching.